Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Amazon Fire TV stick. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get rid of your Amazon Fire TV. Maybe you're actually selling it to someone. Maybe you're actually giving it to someone. How do you actually go ahead and factory reset your Amazon Fire TV? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, you want to go ahead and grab your remote and navigate to where it says settings. So click on settings. Next, you want to navigate to where it says My Fire TV and click on that. Now, this is the really important step, guys. You want to scroll down to where it says reset to factory defaults. So what this is going to do is that it's going to go ahead and remove all personal data and downloaded content from your Amazon Fire TV. So if you are getting rid of your Amazon Fire TV, this is a great way to return it to its factory default settings. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your Amazon Fire TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.